Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations and welcome you all to this Mandala meditation series too. Today, this Mandala awakens your inner voice and expression. It helps you speak, it helps you write, and it helps you create, it helps you express, all from the truth. Let this session free your voice and unlock the creative energy flowing within. Close your eyes softly and relax your gaze. Bring the attention to your throat. Feel the breath moving through it. Now imagine a teal blue spiral forming in your throat, rotating slowly, gracefully, and in perfect harmony. This spiral is your inner voice, the voice beneath the fear, beneath your doubt. With each inhale, the spiral brightens. With each exhale, it expands outward. Now imagine entering a serene, creative studio. The space is filled with soft blue light, paints, brushes, canvas, boards, papers, all the tools and colors, all is around you, waiting for your expression. You walk to the center of the room. In front of you is a blank canvas. As I place each dot on this mandala, imagine each dot awakening a part of your creativity, a spark, maybe an idea, maybe a forgotten dream, or it could be a buried truth also. Now imagine lifting a glowing brush. You begin painting, not with your hands, but with your voice, your energy, your inner truth. Each stroke is a word, each swirl is an idea, each line is an expression of your authentic self. The room fills with your creative energy, flowing, dancing, and alive. Now imagine yourself standing before the glowing blue flame. The flame doesn't burn, it illuminates, it reveals, it awakens. You stand before it and speak softly. I am ready to express. Feel the flame respond, growing brighter, stronger, and more vibrant. Now place your hand gently on your throat. Feel the energy shifting, loosening, clearing, and opening. Your throat becomes a tunnel of flowing blue light. Now imagine a younger version of yourself, a child with bright eyes and a vivid imagination walking towards you. The child carries pure creativity, uninhibited expression, the joy of speaking, the joy of singing, playing, and imagining. Kneel down and embrace them. Feel the excitement. Feel their innocence. Feel the truth. You whisper to them. You are free to express. Your voice is safe with me. The child smiles and merges into your chest, returning their creativity and voice to you. You stand taller now. Your expression is flowing. Your creativity awakened. Your inner voice is alive. Now imagine the teal blue spiral rising upward in your mind, clearing all the confusion, creating inspiration, and opening up your intuition. Then imagine the spiral moving downward into your heart, connecting with your voice, with your emotions, and your deepest truth. You are aligned, expressive, and inspired. Stay in the spiral blue light for a few breaths. Now I'm going to give you affirmations. You can either repeat them mentally or out loud. My inner voice guides me with clarity. My inner voice guides me with clarity. I express myself with creativity and truth. I express myself with creativity and truth. I trust my ideas, words, and intuition. I trust my ideas, words, and intuition. My voice is powerful, free, and aligned. My voice is powerful, free, and aligned. Creativity flows through me effortlessly. Creativity flows through me effortlessly. Take a deep breath in and exhale gently. Your throat is open, alive, and your creativity is flowing. If this meditation helped you, I want you to share in the comments of how your voice feels now, because your expression may unlock someone else's creativity.